Hey guys, I have something really cool to show you today. So today I have a butterfly knife mock. So yeah, I really like it. I made it black because it looks cooler. So there's a blade. So you can go around with it. So it's made of about 75 to 100 pieces. Yeah, I use these like 3-hole Technic beam pieces on each side of it, and then just like these long Technic beams for it, and then you can do some cool tricks with it. So yeah, there it is, the butterfly knife. It's really cool. I'm gonna do some cool tricks with it. So yeah, there it is. I'll be doing some more weapon mocks. I did the plasma gun over there, and so yeah, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.